Hello and welcome back to my another unboxing video. In this video I'm going to share with you quick unboxing and review HP wireless keyboard and mouse 300. So let's take a look. This is my HP wireless keyboard and mouse 300 box, how exactly looks like. So now I'm going to unboxing this box and let me see what inside this box or etc. things. So I'm going to try to open this box. After unboxing this box, we'll see inside there is a beautiful stylish HP wireless keyboard. And then let me see what inside this box. Also we're getting a wireless mouse which is from HP. You can see a beautiful color. And then we're getting here some user guide or some instruction, warranty papers. And also here we're getting a USB connector which will help us to connect this wireless and mouse. So don't forget to remove or anywhere. So if you lose this, you can't use this mouse and keyboard. Just keep it safe place. And also we're getting some battery. Connect this battery over this mouse and keyboard. Here is a mouse for your keyboard battery connector place, so you can easily connect your AAA battery like this. I had successfully connected the battery with my keyboard. Now I'm going to connect with my mouse. You can see here, so that means this is connected successfully, and you can easily turn on or off battery from here. And then we're going to close the backside cover. After successfully unboxing this HP wireless and keyboard 300, this is how exactly looks and what you exactly get inside this box. This is a keyboard, full pad keyboard, full number pad, also some shortcut key, quick access shortcut key both side. Also we're getting some pad system, so we can easily comfortably typing. And here we also get inside box there is a mouse. You can see it's very beautiful and stylish, and it's really easy to connect. You can easily just connect anywhere with your laptop, desktop, or any device which supported wireless keyboard and mouse. So you can easily connect that and you can use your HP wireless mouse and keyboard. This HP 300 wireless keyboard and mouse combo would make a great addition to your workspace so you can operate your computer with ease. The keyboard includes 10 hotkeys for efficient one-touch access to a variety of frequently used, while the mouse contains a 1600 dpi sensor to ensure precise movement on most surface types. Let's jump over this price point. I buy this from local market which cost me $40. So within $40 you're getting a combo wireless keyboard and mouse. So if you're looking a wireless keyboard and mouse with a budget, definitely your HP 300 will be your best choice. So that's for now guys. I hope you really enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed, please like, share and subscribe.